How people do that?
They're not loud enough.
Private, did you think? Wait. Let me just tie my shoe and then we'll talk about it. Bang! Private, did you sneeze? Bang! Private, did you sneeze? Bang!
Oh, it's really yes.
Private, did you sneeze? Bang! Private, did you sneeze? I'll see you in heaven, Lord. Of course not. Bang! Private, did you sneeze? I'm sorry, sir. Please, sir. Private, did you sneeze? Look at this. Look at all these innocent people you killed. I don't care about them. Bang! Private, did you sneeze? I am the Illuminati. I will never die. Let's see about that. Bang!